Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone off-road side steps for Jeep's 2020 to current JT Gladiator. Step 1. Remove any factory or aftermarket parts that get in the way and begin uninstalling the two center body mount nuts from each side with a 16mm socket, followed by the front tube crossmember driver and passenger side bolts with an 18mm socket, and the center gas tank skid plate bolt on the passenger side. Step 2. Starting with the driver's side, secure the center body bracket and the forward bracket in between the crossmember and the frame, and secure it with the factory hardware. Secure the rear bracket with the included larger hex bolt and washer with an 18mm socket. Secure the passenger side in the same way. The rear bracket will use the skid plate mounting location and bolt. Step 3. Ensure the driver's side step is tight against the frame and begin installing two nut plates and bolts into the frame. Hold the nut plate while simultaneously threading the included bolts and washers into it. If needed, you may bend the bracket to prevent it from rotating and tighten it with a 16mm socket. The passenger side will require the frame to be drilled into. With a 1/2-inch drill bit, drill out the slot from the front bracket, followed by installing the nut plate. Ensure all bolts are tight, and you're done.